All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Magnum by Boker Knives Kilo Romeo with a tool and the actual knife. Let's see how's the action right out of the box of this guy right over here. So let's check it out. Blade is centered. It's alright. It's a nice liner lock. Very stiff. No way I can flick this open. No way. Extremely stiff. But feeling is actually of a solid one. For like 20 bucks, something like that, $25, guys. I don't think I can complain, but let's open it up and see if we can do something about this action right over here. Okay, so it's nice they give you this tool. It's like an encouragement to take it apart, which is interesting, and you have both tools. So let's see first of all if we're gonna use these guys. Let's see if this is a spinning pivot. First of all, T8 for the pivot, and it's a captive pivot, guys, on a $25 knife. I mean, guys, there are much more expensive knives. This is like 20 bucks, guys. Yeah, beautiful. And it's captive. So T8 for that. I think we need to remove the scales. Let me see. With a T6, 1, 2, and scale is out. Oh, it's riveted in, and there's a little bit of dirt. Let's just clean this out. Wow. Huh. That's interesting. So definitely something went wrong here. Look at that little bit of corrosion on the inside. I don't know what is that. Let's see this other side here. So we're gonna keep presentation scale up and lock side screws down with their position. Let's see this side. Very interesting. There's some powder. Wow. Flaking off. There's some milling shaving, I hope. But yeah. I mean, guys, this is 20 bucks. So what do you want? There are clips. I paid much more than this knife altogether. So let's not complain too much, right? Okay. Let's maybe clean up also this side. Interesting. Let's just clean up here as well. Look at that. All right, so we've got the bolsters. Let's see. Oh, there's still stuff coming out. Very interesting. So let's do this with the blade closed, just to be safe. And let's do this bolster like that. So actually I'm just gonna move one spot down so we know exactly which screws goes where. So all right, so let's see, this is, so take this down and goes here, and let's see if we can take this apart. Actually no, this is riveted down, guys, here. So there is actually no way to open this one. Oh yeah, no, unless I'm missing something, guys. This is riveted. See, they're not screws. So yeah, all right, so let's just clean it up, I guess. And let's clean it inside. Pivot here, but yeah, it's weird. I never seen like, I mean, slip joints, sure, but this is odd. Yeah, guys, there's no way I can open this. No, it's riveted down. Well, it's okay. It's very interesting. We can only do so much in this case, which is just clean it like here. Yeah, this was pretty dirty here. And let's put this back together. So that's presentation. So I don't understand why these screws here, if you can't really take out the bolsters. I mean, what is the point? I don't understand, guys, sorry. Maybe write in the comment if you have any suggestion or if I'm dumb, but yeah, I don't know. I honestly have no clue on how can I possibly take it down. So let's see if we can add a little bit of nano oil at least. To the washers. Yeah, and I don't even see the point of these of these screws. It's kind of like a fail, in my opinion. I mean, no, I'd like to be able to maintain this guy and fully access its guts. But hey, what do you say? All right, that's it. And you know, let's do a little bit of this too. Something like that. So this is in. Okay, that's way too stiff. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's use a little bit of nano oil right over here. Okay, and also a little bit of nano oil, a little bit heavier weight, just for the detent ball right over there. Very close to the blade, I like it. Okay, just a tad. And let's see what we have now accomplished. Well, there's a little bit of blade play actually. So let me just see if I can. Yeah. So you rub it in, you just spread the oil. Actually, it's very smooth, guys. Blade is off center. Let me see if yeah. Oh yeah. Oh well, wow. Let me see if I can just squeeze it in a little bit more. Oh guys, wow. Actually, I couldn't flick this guy open now. This guy flies open pretty nicely. It just needed a little bit of oil. Very, very light detent. Very light. Yeah, so, I mean, I think we improved it. Lockup, still there. Blade, it's favoring a little bit this side. Let's see if we can just tighten it a little bit more. No. Blade is still off center. Yeah, I mean, almost. But no blade play, and actually feels smooth, guys. I'm honestly impressed. So yeah, so there you have it. This is how you kind of maintain your Boker Kilo Romeo. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.